Get ready to be amazed because this let completely honest finding perfect is officially taking over the internet. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it cuts down your daily stress significantly. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly mind-blowingly effective for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity right this second. Get ready to be amazed because this let completely honest finding perfect is officially taking over the internet.